All right, so I had a low tire reading on my Mustang here, and I just happened to get to Autozone, and then when I looked down at my tire, I noticed there was a little like tack or something in it. Like, I don't know if somebody put it there, if I just ran over it somewhere in a construction site, who knows. So I get to Autozone and I come up with a solution. So I bought this Fix-A-Flat, okay, and I bought this slime tire inflator, and there it is running. And from the looks of it, it looks like it's working. It was almost flat all the way to the rim, but it looks like they're both doing the trick. You can see here where the hole was. It looks like it might have sealed it. This little guy here, he's definitely doing his job. It plugs into my 12-volt right here, and got to have the car running. It looks like it's definitely coming back to life. It's inflating. Look at that. It's been about 6 minutes already. It's coming up. It looked like it stopped leaking too, because that white stuff there was coming out at first, drying up. Looks like we got an inflation. I'm gonna let this run until it looks about right compared to the other tires. It's still low yet compared to the other ones. Those are at the right 35 psi. It looks a little higher there than that one yet. So we're gonna let that run a little longer, but it's definitely coming back. I think this little thing's works. Let's have a look over here. So when you have 35 in, you can tell this is right here. You can see that on each one of these. And I got this other thing. I think this will all be handy to have in the future. This little gauge, slime gauge here. I'll use this and check the pressure over here next. So this all cost me about $75 to deal with this. Now I'm interested to see how long this Fix-A-Flat will work. The bottle says 100 miles or 3 days, and then you need to get another tire. So let's see what happens. Maybe I should get another can of that just in case, until I can get a tire. Probably might be a good idea to get one more can of that just to be on the safe side. So if it does have a puncture somewhere else or something, we'll be all right. But that tire is definitely, that little fucker, that little guy, the little tire inflator is working. 8 minutes flat to full. It's doing its trick. It was only 25 bucks too. Look at it go. Let's see something. Does it have a gauge on it too? Oh wow, it does. And it's saying it's at 30 psi right now. It looks like 30. Yeah, it does. So we need to get that up to. No, that's not 30. That's 20. 20. We want to get it up to 35 yet. It ain't there yet. Let's see what happens. I want to see if it can really handle this kind of pressure. This is a toothless tire too, so that might not work in a tooth tire. Only a toothless, I guess. I'm not sure on that one, but it seems to be working. This little guy's doing his trick, doing his thing. Might be saved because I got to get to work. There's that little tack I put right, so can says that you immediately try to drive it to get it to seal up. So it took me a while. I had to get the pressure up first because it was almost on the rim. So now I'm driving around right now. I've been driving for a couple miles. It says 2 to 4 miles. So far it's getting me there. We're gonna see now. I'm gonna stop back at AutoZone, see how the tire looks after a few miles of driving on it, and then get it inflated up to the proper amount and see how long it lasts. And we'll keep this video going until we see how long I can go until I need another tire. And I'll get another can of it just to keep me going in case it springs again, since it does kind of keep you going for a minute. You're not totally stranded that way. All right, here we go.